Hello everyone, it is Destiny out here at County Line Cameras in Gulfport, Mississippi. The guys just brought this one in, brand new unit. We are getting it opened up now. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of the outside and the inside. If you like what you see, keep watching because I'm about to go into every detail. And fun fact, I actually lived in this exact same floor plan for almost a year while I was having a house built. So I know literally everything there is to know about this model. Let's go. All right, we're gonna be starting right here at the front cap. We have a beautiful smooth-sided camper. This right here is a big front window, and this is actually the same quality that you're gonna find in your windshield in your car, so it's super durable. Have a nice LED light strip, diamond plate coming up real high on this. Your batteries will go right here, 2 large LP tanks, power tongue stabilizer jack, and they even give you a little holder for your chains and your 7-way. Coming over this side, we have our hookups, motion sensor light, freshwater connection city, cable, black tank flush, battery disconnect, hot and cold water, and this is for you to run your hoses through so you can still close your door. I like too that all the locks on this unit are going to be used with the same master key as you have to get into the front door. It makes everything super convenient. We have another large pass-through storage, and note the flooring. This here is solid piece, completely bonded to the subfloor. So front to back, side to side, you're going to notice this finished out in all the cubby spaces because it is a full fuse to that bottom flooring. Right down here we have an LP quick connect. In the event you wanted to add a grill or something, you would be able to sync it up right here, and this is going to pull straight from your LP tanks. All right, and that is right here in this first slide. Now I love the tint on these windows. If you can see, it's like a special UV tint that gives a golden shimmer. It looks so good. Look at that. Coming down here we have our first sewer connection. You will have multiple on this unit. And then coming over, look at the spacing on this double axle. It is massive, and I can tell you personally, this is so smooth when you are towing it. Also note, look at that beautiful golden accent down here in the wheels as well. Coming through, we've got to look at our second slide out, and hot exhaust for your furnace and the water heater. You will be on 50 amp power for this unit. And then down here we have our other sewer connection. You're going to have multiple gray tanks on this unit, and then of course your black tank. Coming through the back side, this is a great spot to stash your sewer hose. You just slide it right on in. Spare tire conveniently mounted, and you are prepped for a backup camera in the event you would like to add one. Coming over, we are here on our third slide. This will be the largest one. And another look at those tires. Look, you can really see that gold shimmer on it now. So back up here to the front, I want to note we have a large awning that is a power awning. It has a nice LED light strip on it. You are prepped to add a television if you'd like to do that. They give you the outlet and the cable right here. And then this, another storage compartment with, check this out, you have solar on this unit. That is something we did not have when I lived in it. So this is amazing to see solar. It's going to keep those batteries charged up, and that is your solar controller. We do have the power stabilizer jacks. You've got 2 separate motors, one for the front, one for the back, and they're going to scissor down for you. So there's a look at the stabilizer jacks. You have a spot to tie up the doggo right here, and then friction hinge door, meaning it's going to stay in place wherever you put it. This also is the glass door. Again, same quality that you're going to find in that windshield. We are prepped for the standard or keyless latch extend. Basically, put your handle from being way up here, it gives you a big bar so you could pop it open down here because like most people, it's pretty high up unless you're super tall, so this makes it easier for us to grab it. You do have a window inside the door. It is prepped for the thin shade, so if you want to black it out, there is a little curtain you can get for that. These step above stairs, we have 4 steps, so super low entry. All right, and then these are gonna go up and into the doorway, so that way nothing's hanging down for towing. They give you bottle openers right here, and then that extra large grab handle is just gonna go up and over the door again for nice smooth towing. And I did want to add, I believe I skipped it back here, but the other button for your stabilizer jack is gonna be back here. So the 2 separate motors, front and back. All right, that's a quick overview of the outside. Oh, except let me get down here and show you the bottom. We do have a nice enclosed underbelly. Look at that. Gonna keep all that heat and air inside the coach where it should be. All right, now let's get inside. All right, lots of good stuff to show you. Let's go ahead and start the rear kitchen. I love a good rear kitchen setup. You got a little place right here to slide the dog bowls or your shoes. We've got an outlet right over here. Beautiful solid surface countertops. It's got like a faux marble look to it. It looks so pretty. No caulking running up the corner or anything like that. Got a little metal rack here, perfect for spices. Good durable material back here so you can wipe it off really easy. Push lights, we've got an outlet and loads of storage. This was one of the reasons I chose this unit. When you're living in it full time, you need yourself a good kitchen setup. So not only do you have all of these, come down here, we've got loads of storage, even going back over there. We've got the fully extending drawers. All right, 4 of them right through here, and then more storage right down here. Okay, but that's not it. Look over here. This is what I use as my actual pantry space. Loads of stuff that you can shove back into those compartments. We have a beautiful undermount stainless steel sink. This is winterization fluid. Don't be scared by the pink stuff. We just got this unit in, so it's going to get flushed here soon. They give you this cutting board, which also perfectly fits over the sink, this little strainer, and a dish drying rack. They also are giving you a cup rinser, which I did not have, but I would have loved to have back in 2022. We've got the detachable little residential style sprayer with the multiple settings there. And then we have our 3-burner gas cooktop, and I loved that this middle one was a lot longer. I was able to use my longer skillet right here. So this one will be gas, and then down here we have a built-in convection microwave with an air fryer. All right, so everything that you would do with like your normal oven, you're going to be able to do here with your convection. All right, this is your LP sensor. We will have our smoke detector right over here, and then fire extinguisher right there. All right, coming into this slide out, look how much space. This is what we call opposing slides, meaning that we have slides that move the opposite direction from each other, giving you such a huge open floor plan. So we have our pantry right over here, smart LED TV, and be on that swivel bracket. So you're gonna be able to pull this out to face it whatever direction you would like. Lots of open storage down here. There's an outlet and the cable hookup. We have a gorgeous fireplace. This is great because it will heat up the coach, no problem, on electric. So you're not wasting your LP. You also could just turn on the light for it and then have you just like a nice pretty ambiance. So you can change colors and everything. All right, and then our refrigerator, the Furrion side by side. Another reason we went with this one is all of that fridge and freezer space. Do you see it? This has the digital controls right here and then the lock function. I also really look at these details up here in the corner of the trim. All right, so this is the darker color interior, like a nice mocha brown, looking so good. Look at that flooring carried out into both of the slides. So no carpet. When I got this, y'all, this had carpet here and carpet there. So I am loving seeing a carpet-free camper. We have a great little 4-person dinette right here. These are vinyl, gonna be really easy to keep clean for you. Little lantern overhead. And then we have so many amazing windows. They do have the accordion shades on them. All of these have screens and every single one of them are going to open, even this huge window back here in the back. So when I tell you amazing breeze and amazing views when you are out there at the RV park. We do have a power fan overhead. It's going to be great for sucking up that smell of bacon or whatever you might be burning if you're like me. We do have the ducted AC running through. All right, so that's going to be the dual 15K air conditioners, and then we've got a separate one back here. This one is also going to be ducted. So heat and AC on both of these air conditioners. Again, perfect for that full-time living. Over here in this slide out, again, all these windows will open. We have the movie theater style recliners, cup holders right there in the middle, or you can fold it up. These will be on the manual pulls, so they're just going to pop out nice and easy for you. You do have an outlet right back here, so you can charge up the cell phone. You got a little end table and the individual push lights overhead, perfect for napping or reading. Over on this side, this is a little love seat, and it does pull out to make a nice big sleeper bed. It is amazing. I'm going to pull it out for you guys. Again, this is not something they did back in 2022, but this is awesome and easy. So we're going to remove the cushions. This is all Velcro, by the way, so it's going to be really easy to keep clean for you, very easy to wipe down. And then we're just going to lift it up and pop it straight on out. It's got the legs right under here, and then you fold down this right here, put your cushions back there on the back, and you have got what's equivalent to like a queen size sleeping space. What I also like about this couch is that it is not mounted down into the flooring, so this can be moved. This is totally freestanding. So again, if you're living in full time, you know how valuable it is to have some flexibility with your spacing. Overhead, I did want to point out 6 foot 8 inches ceiling height across the whole coach. We do have boxes up here for storage, and they are up on those hinges, so they're going to prop open for you. We also have soft close on those. Another window that'll open up, and again, heat and AC controlled right here. You have your lights coming on and off, slide in and out, and awning in and out. All right, y'all, that was a quick overview of this area. Oh, motion sensor light right here when you walk in the front door, super convenient. Now, I love this pass-through bathroom. This makes the bathrooms feel so big. We have a great countertop space, undermount little stainless steel sink, on-demand hot water heater. Again, this was not in it when we purchased it, but you know we added it for full-time living, but now you guys don't have to worry about that. It's right here. Here's the ability to check those different tanks, and then we've got our water pump, outlet, light switch, slide in and out for this bedroom slide right here, and then your AC and heat control for this space back here. We've got our medicine cabinet overhead, mirrors, storage, and down below, look at this massive under sink storage. All right, you're gonna have a porcelain toilet right over here. It's super residential, easier to keep clean, more durable. And look how much floor space we still have in this coach. Look at the design on that door too. But this one back here is going to be a sliding pocket door. So let me close this up because I want to show you all how much room there is in this bathroom space. Another reason why I just loved it. So we had a full hamper right here, and then all that under storage, sink space, the vent, power vent overhead to suck up all that moisture, a spot to hang your towels, put your shampoo and conditioners. Motion sensor light was super convenient when you tried to stumble through here in the middle of the night. And then we do have our tri-fold shower door with this beautiful texture on it. So it's gonna lock in place for you, and it looks just absolutely beautiful. That's your furnace blower down there. In here, solid piece surround, all right? So no caulking or seams running up the corner. Built-in shelves, tall skylight, extra large sprayer handle right there that does have the pause button for you. And then down here, a separate little base. So again, just only 2 separate pieces for this shower. All right, and then the best part, looky here, motion sensor light, tons of hanging wardrobe, shelving, and washer dryer ready to go if you would like to add it. Believe it or not, we never added it. We just used the RV parks because I really wanted that space. All right, pocket door right here into our bedroom. Another thing I loved was this back, or this is actually the front. There's that big windshield. Had so many gorgeous plants sitting in here that does have the accordion blind to come down. But I was 8 months pregnant, so this was a lifesaver for putting on my shoes and getting ready for the day. We have open storage down here, tons of hanging wardrobe. That's gonna be on both sides, and it goes back pretty deep. You do have outlets and USB and lightning chargers right here. Your breaker and fuse panel box will be right there. And then right here, you are prepped to add a television if you would like to. They got this built-in little dresser space and another fireplace, perfect for, again, a nightlight or not having to run the heat on the LP. All right, and then more drawers coming through here. Over down here, look at this. You have actually a portable speaker. This is its charging base, but you're going to be able to take that speaker with you, take it outside, throw it in the golf cart. Over on this side, these windows do open. Plenty of times I open them and slept with a good cool breeze coming. Little faux headboard, little built-in end tables right there. And don't forget, right here under the bed, you do have the strut, so it's going to stay propped open for you, and you're going to have all of that storage space. All right, y'all, so that is a look at this LaCrosse. Again, super special to me, takes me right on back. A very, very great coach. It held up so well. It still does. This is an amazing product. So if you all like this floor plan, come by and see us. We are open 7 days a week right off the Cowan-Lorraine exit. You can also shop online at countylinecampers.com. So when you all think camping, think County Line Campers. And do not forget, we have the best service in the nation. We are the only dealership that is offering same-day service. So call up to the store and ask to speak to service, and they will tell you all about it. So come on down, Gulfport, Mississippi.